And now it's time to catch up with our Ninth Island Connection real estate expert, Randy Hatada of Xpand Realty.
Let's talk about renovations and home values, because those kind of go hand in hand, right?
Normally they do. In the past, it was probably not the best idea to remodel and upgrade too much because the appraisal wouldn't match the cost that was put into those upgrades.
Okay.
Thus, the seller reduced the price a lot. But being that it was such a strong seller's market, buyers would pay above and beyond the appraisal value to get the upgrades of remodeled properties. A lot of people coming from California, Hawaii, they're able to up their quality of life and get the modern home that they've always wanted by selling wherever it is they came from.
Do you see sellers making renovations to try to increase the price of their home?
There's a lot of sellers that do renovations because the homes that are in high demand and that are selling, a lot either have pools or they have been remodeled.
Okay.
And so those modern homes have a higher demand and they've been selling quicker than your average price home. But it made sense for a lot of owners to remodel even if they were selling, which never played to be true for a very long time in the past.
Randy and the entire team at Xpand Realty are there to assist you in finding the home that's right for you.